Hey, ninth graders, Mr. Hamilton here. I'm going to walk you through how to get to your CINCH online textbook. So first of all, you're going to want to go to cinchlearning.com, and if you just go right up to your browser, you can just type in cinchlearning.com, and it will take you to this page, which is the login page. So you will log in right here with a username and a password, and then click Go. And once you do that, you're going to log in, and it will look like this once you get into CINCH Learning, okay? Now, this doesn't look like much, and that's because we don't do a lot with assigning things to you on certain days. You'll notice there's a day up here. So this is always going to be blank when you sign in, but what you'll notice is right here, there's the name of a textbook. This is your textbook. So it says Physical Science with Earth Science. So you can go ahead and click on that. And then once you click on that, you'll notice it doesn't change a lot, but what it does change is it gives you this little button right here. So we call this the hamburger button because it's 3 lines. You got the bun, the patty, and the bottom bun. So that's the hamburger button, all right? So if you click on that, then you'll notice that it brings up this long list of things. So what this is this is the table of contents for your online textbook. So this is just as if you had opened the front cover and you're looking at the table of contents in your book. That's what this is. So anytime we assign anything to you on CINCH or to do a reading or to do something, we will always just give you the name of the section on CINCH that we want you to go to. So for instance, if we wanted you to do something in, describing motion, well, then you would just go right here and you'd click on describing motion, and that would take you into the actual text, okay? Now, we're not actually quite into the actual textbook yet, because what CINCH has is it has a lot of different activities and other things that you can do in addition to just having the actual textbook, okay? So down here, there's going to be a bunch of kind of extra stuff. There's animations and labs and quizzes and things that you can do to kind of help quiz yourself and get ready for tests and stuff if you want to. But then there's also this big blue box right here, which says lesson pages. This is your actual textbook right here. So what you need to do is actually just click on this big blue box, and that will actually take you into the textbook. So now you're actually in the textbook. This is as if you are, paging through your textbook now. And so these are the readings that we might ask you to do. There's, lesson reviews in here at the end that we might ask you to do. But this is the actual pages of your textbook, okay? So the big blue box is mostly what you're going to be using, okay? Now, if I close that back out, we'll go back to here. And there's some other things you can look at down here. There's this is the lesson pages text only. There's a presentation. There's some other things, but really what you want to be concerned with most of the time is this big blue box, okay? Before you get to know your CINCH assignment, there's some other things that you might need to be aware of that are in this bar at the top here. So you can take notes in here. You can highlight things in here. You can look up things in the glossary. There's a handbook that has a bunch of different sections here. So those might be helpful when you're doing your get to know your CINCH as you're kind of exploring and getting to know where things are, okay? So that gives you the basics of kind of how to get signed in and go where to find things. Remember that the first step is clicking on your book right here, and then click on the table of contents to figure out where you're going in the book, and then click on the blue box. All right, thanks for watching.